In today's video, you will learn how to take a screen clipping in Microsoft Word. To start, focus on the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. This tab is usually the third one from the left. Selecting it reveals a variety of options to add content to your document. Look for the Screenshot button, which allows you to capture images of open windows or custom areas of your screen. After clicking the Screenshot button, select Screen Clipping from the drop-down menu. Once you choose this option, your screen will fade slightly, signaling that Word is ready for you to select the area you want to capture. Using your mouse, click and hold down the left button, then drag to highlight the exact part of your screen you want to capture. This lets you select any portion of the visible screen, giving you full control over what to include. Release the mouse button once you have outlined the area you want. Immediately after releasing the mouse, Word will automatically insert the captured clipping right where your cursor is located in the document. This way you can instantly add visual content without needing to save or upload images separately. This feature is especially helpful when you need to provide visual context, demonstrate steps, or simply include relevant screenshots in your reports or presentations. It's a neat and efficient trick to keep your documents dynamic and informative. That's all there is to taking a screen clipping in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tip useful, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.